and welcome to a math lesson for Group B. We're going to be using our dice and our cards to do some games for math today. So here are the things you're going to need to take out of your learning kit. Everybody got a deck of playing cards, probably just a standard size one. Everyone got a pair of dice, so you're taking everything out of your learning kit. Your cards, your dice. In your red math folder, you've got one of these bingo sheets. You're going to take out those. You're going to take out a dry erase marker, a calculator, your multiplication chart, and your rainbow tiles. So here's what we're going to do first. I'm going to show you how to do this bingo. Now, everybody has one of these, and inside they have some blank bingo sheets here. This is for an addition game. So if you want to do multiplication, let's think a minute about what you'd want to put on here. If you're using dice, these are all going to be products, which is the name of a multiplication answer, is going to be between 6 and 6 here, because you've got 6 in each one. That's as high as you can go. So all your answers are going to be within this area, 6 times 6. Any of these products you could put on your bingo card, and then you'd have your multiplication bingo sheet, okay? Does that make sense to everybody? Okay, so let's go ahead and try doing this bingo. 4 times 1. And then you take your bingo sheet and you use these counters. Let's just pretend that 4 plus 1 is 5 and that you have a 5 there. So you could either do 5 across, or you could do blackout for these. It's up to you. And you can make copies of these, and you can play with a bigger group if you want. So there is bingo, okay? Now, another thing you can do with your dice is you are just going to be rolling. 3 times 3 is 6. So you're going to be practicing with your multiplication chart and your calculator. So 3 times 3. You got 3 here, you got 3 here. When they bring them together, you get 9. And then you check with your calculator. 3 times 3 equals 9, right? Good job. So you can even go with some bigger numbers. You could add these up, and this would be just 1. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 9. So you're bringing it up to double digits. 9 times 9. And you bring those down, and then you get to 81. Okay? See that? So you could either just do with the 1 dice in multiplying the 2 numbers, or you can do the 2 dice and create 2 new numbers that are higher. You're practicing with your multiplication chart, and you are checking with your calculator. Let's just make sure we got this right. 9 times 9 equals 81. Very good. So you can do that a few rounds, and you're working on your multiplication facts. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take out your playing cards, and you are going to be playing greater than, less than with a friend. So the way you would do that is everybody gets a stack, and they just take the top one over. Now Jack is worth more than 4, so this person would get the cards. And then we have, if it's the same, they each got the same card, then they go and do it on top of that, and then whoever wins this gets all of the cards. Okay, so you can play greater than, less than just getting your math brain working for some addition, subtraction, or you can do multiplication activities with your cards. So you would take 2, and all these ones would be considered 10. So you have that, 10, and then you would multiply it by this number, 10 times 4, and what would you have? 10 times 2, and what would you have? Who gets that? That's 40, that's 20, they get the cards, okay? So you're checking with your multiplication chart as you go along, and your calculator. Let's try another one. 10, 9, 7, 9. All right, so 9 times 7. 9 times 7 is 63. You're practicing with your multiplication chart. And you're practicing with your calculator. 9 times 7 equals 63. All right, so there you go. You've got some card games and your dice and some dice games to help you develop your multiplication facts and keeping your math brain going in a fun way. So good luck, and we'll see you next time.